Hello guys, welcome to the third session about Dockerize stack application using Docker and Docker Compose. In the previous session, we see how to Dockerize an Express server API and how to Dockerize an Angular application using Dockerfile. This is our folder content. This is the main stack application. We have an Angular application and an Express server application. What we need now is to create a new file called docker compose.yaml. In this file we need to create a list of services. The first service is a front-end service, the second is a back-end service, and the third and the latest service is a database service. First of all, for a Docker Compose, we need to specify the version of our Docker Compose. So the first is the version 3, and now we need to specify the list of the services. Let's define the list of services. We have 3 services: the front and back end and database. So this is the services. It's an array and have 3 services. The first is Angular 2 the second is an Express service, and the latest is a database service. So for the first, we need to specify the host name because we need to access to this container or this front-end application from my local host. So the host name is localhost. We have 2 ways to create a container or a service from. The first is from a Docker file, and the second is download an image from a Docker registry like Docker Hub. So here, build for creating a service or a container from a Docker file, and image instruction is for pulling and create service or container from a registry like Docker Hub. So here we need to build. So if you are using the build instruction, you need to specify the path of your Docker file. So my Angular Docker file is inside the Angular app folder. So here I need to specify the folder Angular app, and here path to your Docker file. Our application is running in port 18, so we need to forward this port to my localhost by using this instruction port, and here we need to specify the port like here 8181 attached to the port 18. For the next service Express, we need to build this from a local Docker file Express server. Also, we need to forwarding our application to my host using port 3000 to 3000. But the Express service is depend to the database, because when we use Mongoose we need to migrate the database when the port is up and running. So we need to make the order for that. The first service created is an Angular, the second is a database, and the latest is an so we need to add here links to mean that this express service is depend to the database. So links, and here we make database. Great. Move to latest service, and the database of Mongo, we need to pull this image from the Docker registry. So here image Mongo, the name of image, and the pair is 772.017 to 27.017. Good. What we need now is go here and open an integrated terminal. Great. We need to make the size of our terminal, change the font size, good. So ls, what we need now is using Docker Compose app with the option -# to learn more about Docker Compose app. This Docker Compose app is a command used to build, create, start, and attach containers for services. So like here, Docker Compose app. It start pulling image from the registry, the base image, create containers. So this action take a few times, so waiting. As you can see here, our installation is finished and our database is created, and the communication and the connection between our REST API server and the database connection is accepted. So what we need now is to test our application using the browser. Go to localhost 8181 for the Angular application. And as you can see, here is our main stack Docker application. My name is Radwan Asakra, and my age is 27, and add person. This is application is created. Let's inspect element. As you can see, let's inspect element, console, network. Let's add, for example, my brother Bilal Asakra, age 25. Add. As you can see here, we have a call for post and another call for get to get all user, and this is the response to get the list of user. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.